Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by cleansing thoroughly. Wet your face with lukewarm water and use ZO Gentle Cleanser, massaging for 30 to 60 seconds to remove oils. Once done, pat but leave skin slightly damp and spritz, or apply a hydrating toner to rebalance pH. Next, dispense 1 to 2 pumps of an antioxidant serum. Spread evenly and allow absorption for about a minute. Make sure to work quickly so the next treatment layers correctly and skin remains dewy for best penetration. For the middle steps, you'll introduce active treatments carefully. At night, use a pea-sized amount of your ZO retinoid product, applying thinly and avoiding lids. During the day, skip retinoid and instead layer lighter actives like vitamin C serums first. Once actives absorb, apply a hydrating moisturizer to restore barrier function. Seal sensitive areas with a barrier cream if needed. For eyes and small spots, dab targeted formulas before your moisturizer so they can concentrate without diluting. To finish, always apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen SPF 30 to 50 every morning. Press into skin and reapply every 2 hours when spending time outdoors. Once or twice a week, incorporate a ZO exfoliant or peel according to instructions to boost turnover, but avoid combining peels with retinoid nights. If you experience persistent redness, burning, or flaking, stop active products immediately, use a gentle barrier repair moisturizer, and, for short-term severe irritation, a mild hydrocortisone under guidance. Contact your provider if symptoms persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.